Welcome to Wheels and Wings, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels and in the skies. If you love cars, bikes, and all things that move with power and style, make sure to stay tuned for our latest updates, reviews, and insights. Today, we're diving into a detailed look at the 2026 Isuzu MU-X, a rugged and refined SUV that has carved out a strong reputation for being a reliable performer, especially for those who love to venture off the beaten path. The 2026 model builds on that legacy with a host of improvements in design, performance, and technology, making it a serious contender in the SUV market. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Isuzu MU-X features a refreshed look that combines muscular styling with modern touches. A redesigned front grille, sleeker LED headlamps, and sharper body lines give it a more aggressive and premium stance. The alloy wheels get a new design too, enhancing the overall road presence. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious and upgraded cabin with improved materials and ergonomics. The dashboard has a modern layout with a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a fully digital instrument cluster. Under the hood, the MU-X continues to offer its proven 3.0-liter turbo diesel engine, delivering impressive torque and efficiency. In select markets, a smaller 1.9-liter diesel option may also be available, catering to different needs. Transmission options include both manual and automatic gearboxes, and of course, the four-wheel drive variants come with proper off-road capabilities like terrain control modes, hill descent control, and a locking rear differential. Ride quality has been improved, with a suspension setup that handles both highways and rough terrains with ease. In terms of safety, the 2026 MU-X comes packed with advanced features including multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and autonomous emergency braking. It's designed not just to be capable, but also to keep you and your family safe on every journey. The 2026 Isuzu MU-X is a well-rounded SUV that delivers solid performance, comfort, and durability. Whether you're commuting in the city or exploring the outdoors, it offers a great balance of practicality and power. If you're in the market for a tough and versatile SUV, the MU-X deserves a serious look. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Wheels and Wings for more reviews, updates, and everything you need to stay in the know about the latest in the world of automobiles.